Okay, so hello future engineers. For this discussion video, we have to uh, deal with more of the examples regarding thermodynamic quantities. And we have here a problem. Suppose you decide to define your own temperature scale using the freezing point 13 degrees Celsius and the boiling point 360 degrees Celsius of oleic acid, the main component of olive oil. If you set the freezing point of oleic acid as 0 degree O or oleic and the boiling point is 0 degree oleic, what is the freezing point and boiling point of water on this new scale? The problem here talks about you making a different scale of temperature or temperature measurement. So, hindi ka magamit sang degree Celsius, kundi bag-o naman, oleic naman ang aton nga degree. So, ano ang pwede natin himuon if we encounter or you encounter this type of problem later on? So, first is to make a table. So, ang himuon mo is to make a table. So, specify or determine your boiling point. Okay, sa iba ng mga book that is steam point. So, i-determine ang mga boiling point. And i-determine ang imo nga freezing point. Next, so itanawon kung ano na siya nga temperature scale. Okay, so sa iluhong ko lang ni sa lalom ha. So this will be your temperature scale para hindi ta magsala. And this is your freezing point. Then, may ara kita duwa ka temperature scale nga gina-consider diri. Number 1 is the given nga degree Celsius. And next one is kung sa diin ta siya i-convert nga temperature scale, which is your oleic nga degree. So, okay, boiling point naton in terms of degree Celsius. So, naka-mention diri, your boiling point in terms of degree Celsius is 360 degrees Celsius. And we have your 13 degrees Celsius as your freezing point. And we have, para sa aton nga oleic acid, we have 100 degrees and 0 degrees para sa aton nga freezing point. Next, anong kinahanglan himuon? We have to perform your ratio and proportion. And we have to consider, so ang kakatabo lang da, for the numerator mo, that is boiling point minus freezing point. So, this is the same formula nga ginagamit for the conversion of your Fahrenheit degree Celsius. So, amo man niya Japan nga process ang ginagamit. Pero this time, ang himuon naton is the derivation. So we will have, so that is boiling point minus freezing point. So that is 360 minus 13. Then sa aton nga piak, that is, or sa aton nga right side, still the same man Japan, that is 100 minus 0. Next we have, sa dalom, your temperature scale minus your freezing point. So that is your degree Celsius minus 13. Then we have, so your degree oleic minus 0. Next, i-arrange lang or rearrange lang aton nga equation. This will be equal to, so this is equal to 347 all over your degree Celsius minus 13 is equal to 100 all over degree oleic. So, next, so since ang aton nga kinahanglan pangitaon is ari nga value degree oleic, so sa iluod ko siya sa right side of the equation is equal to, so this one, so i-cross multiply ko na lang siya kay para maka-form ko formula. So this is 100 all over 347 multiplied by degree Celsius minus 13. Okay, this now is my formula if ever man gid gusto ko pangitaon ang equivalent sa degree oleic sang bisan ano nga degree Celsius. So hambal naton kagina panginataon naton ang aton nga freezing kag boiling point of water. So kabalo kita nga ang freezing point of water is 0 and the boiling point of water is 100. So that means for the boiling point, diretso ko na lang di-substitute, that will be equal to, so that will be degree Olik is equals to 100 all over 347 multiplied by 0 minus 13. So, aton answer will be equal to, okay, so we have 100 over 347 multiplied by 0 minus 13. So, aton answer is equals to negative 3.75 degree Olik. Negative 3.75 degree Olik. Next we have, so hambal naton, okay, this is freezing point ha, kay 0 degree ating gingamit. So this is freezing point. Next we have your boiling point. So kabalo kita, aton boiling point is 100. So substitute lang tadi 100. We have 100 over 347 multiplied by 100 minus 13. This is equal to 100. So aton answer will be 25.07 degree Olik. 25.07 degree Olik. This is now ang equivalent sa aton nga boiling point kag freezing point of water sa aton nga bag-o nga temperature scale. So take note lang kung paano ginahimo if you have new temperature scale nga kinahanglan basihan. Okay, next problem in here we are given the density of the air at ordinary atmospheric pressure and 25 which is 25 degrees Celsius is 101.19 gram per liter. What is the mass in kilograms of the air in the room that measures 14.5 feet by 16.5 feet by 8 feet? So, amo ni ang given sa aton. So, both siningon we are given with the density. So, we have your density, your atmospheric nga pressure nga 25 degrees Celsius and your volume. So, given sa aton is your density which is equal to 1.19 gram per liter. And then we have your dimension. So, sa imong room which is equal to 14.5 feet by 16.5 feet by 8 feet. So, amo ni ang aton nga dimension. Ang ginapangita naton is the mass of the air in terms of kilogram. So, kabalo kita nga ang formula for density is equal to mass all over volume. So, mass all over volume lang man ang aton nga formula for density. So, rearranging the equation, pwede natin makuha ang formula for mass, wherein mass is equals to your density multiplied by volume. So, take note nga kung ang aton naman gina-consider is the room, but siningon pwede natin makuha diretso ang volume. Wherein volume is equals to length times width times height man lang. So, but siningon, kinanglan lang ni natin i-convert into its equivalent. So, since kinanglan natin naka metric nga unit, kag in the English units. So, we have, so mass natin is equal to, so we have your given nga density which is 1.19 gram per liter. So, multiplied by, so we have, okay, pwede, isa nimo ka technique na pwede himon is to i-convert mo ni daan into its equivalent. So, sa iyang equivalent in terms of metric nga units. So, ang 14.5 feet, for example, i-convert mo na siya daan into cm cube or centimeter cube. And then, convert mo na daan into kilogram ang imo nga liter nga values. Okay, so ang himuon ko subong is individually i-convert ko sila danay into its centimeter nga equivalent. So nga a centimeter kag hindi meter because ang centimeter ang pwede naton ma-relate into liters nga value. So we have 14.5 feet. So multiply ko lang by 12 inch sa isa ka foot. So same man adare 12 all over 12 inch all over 1 foot. Same man diri, we have 12 inch all over 1 foot. Okay. Next, we have, so, inches, 2 centimeters squared kita. So, 1 inch, may ara ka 2.54 cm. Okay? So, same man na dire. So, ang iya nga mga equivalent value is that. So, we will have, okay. So, we have 14.5 times 12 times 2.54. So is equal to 14.5 times 12 times 2.54 is 441.96. 441.96 cm multiplied by, so 16.5 naman. So we have, this is equal to 502.92 cm. And then another nga side is your 8, so we have 8 times 12, so that is 243.84. 43.84 cm. This is for your erase ko ni Danay ha, separate ko lang ang volume. So this is for your volume. So V naton is equal to, multiply ito sila tanan, times 441.96 times 502.92. So aton volume is equals to this one. So 54198. 54198,444. Okay, so check that anay. 54198,444.38. Okay, answer equals, store ko lang siya sa isa ka variable. So this is equal to, or 0.38. Okay, so 0.38, akon unit subong is cm cube. So, nga cm cube ang akon nga gamiton or nga cm cube because pwede ko i-relate ang cm cube into ml or milliliters. So, may ara kita isa ka equivalent nga pwede naton ma-relate ang cm into milliliter. So, ang given ko subong sa akon nga density is gram per liter. 1.19 gram per liter. Take note, ang aton nga requirement or ang aton ginapangita is in terms of kilogram. Convert ko na into kilogram kay para hindi ta mabudlayan. So we have, so sa isa ka kilogram, may ara ka 1,000 grams. So convert ko na siya nga daan and then convert ko ang liter into ml. So wherein 1 liter is equal to 1,000 ml. Okay, so this one. Next, we have, so, pwede na ko kapang cancel, pwede ko makancel ang ako nga grams, and then pwede ko makancel ang liters. Then, this will be equal to, aton answer is equal to 1.19 divided by, okay, times 1 all over 1,000 times 1 all over 1,000. So this is equal to 1.19 times 10 raised to negative 6. 1.19 times 10 raised to negative 6 kilogram per ml. Okay, so hambal naton kagina aton mass is equals to density times volume. Okay, so mass is ari siya, mass is equal to density times volume. So density naton nga nakuha is 1.19 times 10 raised to negative 6 kilogram per ml multiplied by your volume, which is adding a value. So 54. Okay, so we have 54198,444 cm cube. Okay, so multiplied ko siya sa sinang value sa ating nga volume. But take note nga ang aton nga unit is cm cube. That means hindi ko siya pwede makancel or wala kita pwede makancel para ang mabili na lang is kilogram. Therefore, kinanglan naton conversion factor of cm and ml. If you inspect dira sa aton nga module, may ara da specific nga conversion nga pwede naton ma-relate ang ml kag cm. Wherein 1 ml is equal to 1 cm cube. So we have, so therefore, dari ko na lang idugang kaya hindi na takaigo. So we have, dari ko na lang i-multiply sa piyak. Okay, so dari ko na lang siya i-multiply ha, 1 ml, 1 cm cube. Okay, so may ara, tas sinay sa conversion factor dara sa inyo nga mga libro or sa inyo nga mga module. So makancel ang ml, makancel ang cm cube. So ang mabili na lang is kilogram. If we multiply this, aton answer will be equal to, so times 541,98444.38. So aton answer will be equal to okay, kulang kita. Wait lang kita. Kulang tayo isa ka 4. So this is dugang tadi isa ka 4. So aton answer is equal to 64.40 or 64.5 na lang. So 64.5 kilograms. Okay, so again, ano ginhimo naton dere? So natabo dere is purely unit conversion. So since ang given sa aton is in terms of gram per liter and then kinanglan naton is kilogram, so kinanglan naton i-convert ang aton nga gram into kilogram. Next, kinanglan naton i-convert ang aton nga liter into ml kay para ma-relate siya into cm cube. Amo lang na only way nga pwede naton ma-relate ang ang metric unit with your or volume nga unit. cm kag ml lang ang may conversion. Therefore, dapat mapabilin aton unit as kilogram and ml. So that's why nagamit kita sa sining mga conversion factor. In terms naman of aton nga volume, since given sa aton is English unit in terms of feet or foot, dapat i-convert siya into its metric nga equivalent, which is meter dapat. Pero since ang meter hindi man siya po naton ma-relate into the ml nga value, that's why we settle with cm cube. So asahan sa cm. So that is using sa senior conversion factor, 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So 1 inch is equal to 2.54 cm. Kamo na ang pwede magbaylo-baylo sini basta pwede ka makakancel. Foot, inches, inches. Next, so multiply mo na, nakuha natin volume, may ara naman ta value sa ating density. Next, gamiton sa formula. Then hamba ko kagina may ara kita conversion factor for cm kag ml, and that is 1 ml is equals to 1 cm cube. If we multiply sa ating answer sa density kag volume, we would come up with an answer equal to 64.5 kilograms. So that is for the example number 4. Next one in here, we have kalima na to nga example. We have a sample of your tetrachloroethylene, a liquid used in dry cleaning that is being phased out because of its potential to cause cancer, has a mass of 40.55 and a volume of 25 ml at 25 degrees Celsius. What is its density at this temperature? Another one, carbon dioxide is a gas at room temperature and pressure. However, carbon dioxide can be put under pressure to become a supercritical fluid that is much safer dry cleaning agent than tetrachloroethylene. At a certain pressure, the density of supercritical CO2 is 0.469 gram per cm cube. What is the mass of 25 ml sample of supercritical carbon dioxide at this pressure? So, very lengthy katama ang problem. Pero kung lang tumunta lang, based on the given, so simple lang siya nga problem. So, paano sir nga nagamba ka nga simple? Take note what is given kay kung ano ang ginapangita. So, what is given sa ating nga problem? Number one. So, for letter A, so ang given sa aton is we have carbon tetrachloroethylene. So, iya nga mass, given naman, mass niya is 40.55 grams. Next, given man sa ato ng volume. Volume which is equal to 25 ml. Next, ang ginapangita sa aton is density. So, density ang ginapangita. So, may ara ta specific na formula for density which is equal to mass all over volume. That means automatic, diretsyo na lang ta substitution. So, that is equal to 40.55 gram divided by 25.0 ml, which is equal to 1.622 gram per ml. Okay? Check ko danay be. So, we have 40.55 sa lakon suma, that is equal to 25. So, this is equal to 1.622 gram per ml. Next one, we have letter B is given sa aton is carbon dioxide. And ang given naman this time is your density, which is equal to 0.469 gram per cm cube. cm cube. And your volume, or V, which is equal to 25 ml. So this time, take note, ang given sa aton is 0.469 gram per cm cube and 25 ml. So, pangitao naton syempre, or gina-require sa aton is the mass, or M. So, based sa ating formula, mass is equals to, so, density times volume. So, that is, so, equal to density natin nga given is 0.469 gram per cm cube. Next, volume nga given is 25 ml. Okay, so again, so we have here gram per cm cube kag ml. Hindi kita pwede makadiretso perform because wala kita sang pwede makancel nga ang mabili na lang is gram. Therefore, kinanglan naton conversion factor hambal ko kagina, we have 1, so cm cube is equal to 1 ml. So, this time, pwede na natin cancel ml kag ml, cm cube kag cm cube. This one, aton answer for this one is equal to, so 0.469 times 25. So we have 11.725 grams. 11.725 grams. So this is it, Danay, for sining ang mga examples. We will have more of examples for this lesson. So thank you. Stay safe. God bless.